Hello, welcome to the Confident Club. Welcome to Presentation Mastery, and a big warm welcome from me, Curly Uppington, head coach for many years on this workshop. You may or may not have anxieties or concerns. This may be something you haven't done before, or you may feel okay. I don't know, everybody's different. But what you do need to know is a lot of people do feel like that, so that's absolutely fine. Yes, there are challenges because unless we challenge you, nothing will happen. Having said that, it's in a really safe and supportive environment. And you need to think about afterwards how great you are going to feel. We've had, I should count up really, but thousands and thousands of delegates through this workshop. And to a man and a woman, we get fantastic feedback afterwards. So I want to reassure you that you come into the right place. Now, how do I know that? I know that for two reasons. Reason number one, between us, we have got years and years and years of experience. For nearly 25 years now, we've run this workshop literally all over the world. We get all our work through referral, so we must be doing something right. Secondly, when you get a chance to read this email that I've sent you, you'll see that I've asked you a few simple questions. And that's because we want to know what you already know, so we can make this a fantastic use of your time. And what do you want to get out of it? And on the back of all that, we will create and tailor this workshop so that you get your personal outcomes. Our outcomes for you, on top of all of that, are to help you to work on your self-belief and your self-confidence and how great you're going to feel. So you'll also discover that this workshop isn't just about presenting. I love chatting, so if you've got any questions, concerns, or you just want to say hello, please give me a call. You can call me on the number. It's my mobile, it's at the bottom of this email. Give me a call. I'd love to hear from you. But for now, goodbye, and I'm looking forward to meeting you very soon.